this is Connie, and obviously I took a sick day for Friday and slept most of the day so that I could be refreshed and feel like a human being, at least for the weekend, while I try to get some things in order before my last week of work. This is a random clip I took the week of Thanksgiving, and it was just nice to just see trees, even rain and fog and what would be considered terrible weather still was very beautiful. So here's almost 2 full minutes of just the pitter-patter of nature from the roof of my bus. Be careful with that and enjoy, please and thank you. Bye!
It's the call of nature. Happy Thanksgiving.